Welcome back. Before we install OpenShift in a disconnected setup, we need a solid foundation. Let's understand the network, VMs, ISO, and lab architecture step by step. Before we start creating anything, let's first understand the overall architecture of our lab. We will be working with multiple virtual machines and a controlled network setup to simulate a real-world disconnected environment. In this lab, we are using two networks. One is connected network which has internet connected. The second is an isolate network where our OpenShift cluster will run. Since this is a disconnected setup, our cluster will not have direct internet access. Internet access will be only allowed on the mirror registry system to mirror the operators. Now let's look at the machines we will be creating. A Bastion host. This will act as our control node and we will run services like DNS, HProxy and a web server on it. A registry system to mirror the operators, a bootstrap node and 3 master nodes. These systems together will form the foundation of our OpenShift cluster. For the Bastion host and the registry host, we will use a standard Linux OS like RHEL, and for the bootstrap and all master nodes, we will be using Red Hat Core OS, which is specifically designed for running OpenShift cluster. We will need two ISOs for the installation. First is the RHEL ISO for Bastion and registry host. Second is the Core OS ISO. I already have the RHEL ISO downloaded on my system. Now let me quickly show you where to download the Red Hat Core OS image. I will go to mirror.openshift.com, then OpenShift v4, then dependencies, RHCOS 4.21, latest. From here, download the RHCOS live ISO image. Next video is even more powerful. Follow now so you don't miss it.